I'm Paul Rego. I'm the Director of IT PPM program in the healthcare sector. So I've taken the leading Scaled Agile Framework class through Rego. There were a group of about 12 of us who took the class with Rego. And the purpose of it was to help us launch a maturity initiative for our business relationship management program, which is an evolving program to really strengthen IT's interaction with the medical practice. My organization's been partner with Rego for quite a number of years. And the extension of Rego into the SAFE framework with us has really been very beneficial. First of all, Rego knows our organization, so that's been very helpful. But I think the bigger thing is that Rego doesn't just come in and teach a class and go away. So we've had the engagement of Tad and others from the Rego's Agile practice all along the way. And they continue to work with us. We know we can reach out to them if we have any questions. We can certainly engage them, and we have in specific teams on specific use cases, as well as helping us more broadly in some teams to practice the Scaled Agile Framework and truly scale it up to be useful for those teams. So I think that's an advantage that Rego brings, is that it's not just about the classes and the teaching, but it's also about helping us apply it in a way that's unique to our organization and that isn't just a cookie cutter approach. I think there's a lot of value there. The other thing that we've noticed is that as we've been implementing the SAFE framework, the Tad and the other Rego consultants who have worked with us, they can see where we're making good strides and where we're maybe having some challenges, and they can bring that back to us and not only show that to us, but also help us overcome those challenges with some advice, tactics, approaches that are really unique to our organization. So it's applied to what we're doing. It's not just, again, not just rote, but it's very applied to what we're doing. In fact, I was talking with Tad and Terry about that just yesterday on another project that we have that's using the Scaled Agile Framework, where we've got some challenges with a product owner and a scrum master. And Terry brought that forward to us and said, hey, here's the challenge that I see. Here's what I think we need to do about it. Here's how I can help coach that scrum master. And my organization is very interested in developing all of our people in the Agile space. So having that level of focus back to help develop an individual employee to grow has been amazing, and it really has helped not only that individual, but it's helping us overall to grow and strengthen what we're doing around the Agile framework in that team. So, one word to describe our Scaled Agile framework with Rego would be, I don't want to use a superlative like amazing, although I could. But I would say more specifically, it would be, one word would be valuable. It's been very valuable. I think the value we've gotten from it has been well worth and has exceeded the cost that we've invested into it. The dollars we've invested into it have been exceeded by the value. So much.